Hey beautiful, for my first makeup tutorial this year, I thought I'd share with you this look inspired by tan hues, perfect for those who work from home and go on meetings all day like a boss. I've already prepped my skin, now I'm just applying a primer so that it's absorbed properly while we apply the eyeshadow. This look is pretty simple and in fact you can even do this with your eyes closed. I'm taking this medium brown all over my eyes and blending the edges with a lighter shade of brown. Next up is pretty basic. Curl your lashes gently for about 15 to 20 seconds to really hold their shape. Then apply a volumizing mascara on the roots to the tip of your lashes. I moved into a new place, so I replaced most of my things, especially makeup. Anything that I don't love or used was kept away, and this is a new foundation from Estee Lauder. And although I love the natural finish, you need to blend this very quickly because it dries quickly too. Also, one thing I've been loving recently is my new minimalist watch, which I'm wearing in this video. They are from a watch company in London called Leupp. Since I'm adapting to a minimalist lifestyle, their watches really got my attention. I have a link in the description box if you also want to get your own minimalist watch, and make sure to use my promo code ANNA50 during checkout. I kinda enjoyed filming a feature for this watch, so please enjoy this mini commercial I did together with my husband who helped me film and edit this video. Back to the makeup tutorial, set your foundation in place with powder. However, just apply this very thinly because we are going for a natural looking skin as much as possible. For chiseled cheeks, I'm using SCULPT from MAC Cosmetics, which is a lovely neutral shade. You may use this to contour the cheekbones, jawline, temples, forehead, and the nose bridge. Speaking of nose line, I'm switching to a smaller angled eyeshadow brush to contour my nose mostly on the bridge because that's where I like definition. Let's frame our eyebrows next. I'm using a new eyebrow product and so far so good. It's waxy and doesn't break easily. I like how I could outline my brows with this and blend it quickly with the spoolie on the other side. Going back to the MAC Studio Fix Sculpt and Shape Contour Palette, I'm highlighting my brow bone with the shade Emphasize. And as for the cheeks, we're using a different highlighter. This is a face illuminator from Mercier in the shade Sensation. And this actually works as a bronzer as well, so it's gonna give some warmth to my face. Now I'm applying a little bit of cream blush. You can use powdered if you like. This is also meant to tint the lips, but it doesn't stay on for a very long time. Lastly, apply a brownish shade of lipstick. It's a matte lipstick that matches my Leupp Eco Tan watch, which inspired this video. And that finishes the look. We're ready for Zoom meetings, to closing deals, and to reaching our goals this year. I hope you try this look at home and let me know if you like this by giving me a thumbs up. By the way, please don't mind the messy hair. Make sure that the bell is on for notifications on my new video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to click the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!